Okay, we're back. GFG here on PC Build Simulator. We just got the Asus Republic of Gamers Workshop, and boy is it awesome. Looks like I need to buy another desk, so let's do that. $4,000. Ooh, hopefully I got enough money to build some PCs. Looks like I already got a few started. What do we got? So this one, we need to play Hateful Boyfriend. Never played that. School of Hope and White Wings. So we're going to go over to the Beast, and we're going to see if it will run. This one here, recommended spec. So we need a minimum of 4 gigabytes of RAM. So not too crazy of a graphics card. GTX 1050 will be fine. Pentium G4520, easy money. So this looks like it's going to be a budget build. We're going to throw one together real quick in this, what is this? That looks like a Matrexx 55. Good case. We really like that case here at GFG. Lots of options. Got a nice RGB strip you can play with. So I'm going to leave the drive bay in this one because we just might be putting a hard drive in it. So I'm going to do a motherboard. I want to do a cheap Ryzen build is what I'm going for on this one. So we use AM4 socket. Let's see. Get all these standoff screws in. We take open one slot for RAM. Open up the CPU handle. What do we have? So Ryzen 3 should be sufficient. I don't remember exactly what it said, but this should be good enough. Usually for low applications, that Ryzen 3 is a very good card. So we're going to go with some thermal paste. Never forget your thermal paste. For cooler, well, we can give him this RGB Raging Tech. Not a bad little cooler. Put some case fans in this bad boy, get it lit up. Get some RGB for him. Remove that desk cover. Okay, now we can get our screws in. That's not going to fit. One on the top will be fine. We'll keep all of our intakes going towards that GPU so this exhaust fan can pump it out. So put 2 more in here, get the full effect in the front. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now you always got to install the front panel on this case before you do your cables because there's a power switch you got to wire in and you will forget it. I do it all the time. I use this case a lot. So we're going to use 4 gigabytes should be plenty. Corsair Dominator, we like those. Okay, so PCI lock is next. For GPU, I believe it'll be the second and third slot as it usually is. What do we have? So I got a 1050 Ti gaming 4 gig right there. That'll be just fine. Okay, so we're going to plug, oh wow, I was incorrect. It is the top one with this motherboard. It is a small little motherboard. Okay, so we'll put that PCI cover back in. Keep it nice and pretty. Put a PCI lock on. Boom, bam. What do we want to use for a power supply? 450 should be plenty. Put that in. For storage now, I usually throw an NVMe if I can, just for satisfaction. Where does this one go? I'm not seeing where this one would go. Huh. Usually it'll tell you if it's not gonna go on there. It'll say it won't fit. I don't believe this one is M2 supported. If it is, hiding under that cooler. Comment on this video if you see it and I'm just blind. So we're going to put a 500 gig in here. Let's see. So always touchy trying to get it right on the edge. There we go. Okay, close it back up. Now, I think we're going to do some nice white plastic coated cables. Keep that RGB reflecting off of the cables. You don't have to be stuck with one color scheme. Hook up all our cables here quickly. Alrighty, get all of our fans in. So we got our RGB going. Alright, a couple more to go. I don't like how they make you home run it. They should just run it right back to the next fan like that one. Okay, we'll go here. Hook our hard drive up to a power supply. Alright, I think we have everything. Just gotta install our boot drive. And boom! We got power. Look at that. And just while we're killing time, I'm gonna put our dust filter and our back panel back on. Maximum efficiency. Okay. Now we did it. It can play it. So before I give this off, I gotta do the lighting on it. I mean, it's only fair, right? I gotta get this software on here for him and strobe it so it looks presentable. Okay, here we are booting back up. That is a lot of lights. Rainbow, we're gonna slow it down just a touch. Apply it, and boom. There we go. We got RGB. Let's put our side panel on. And that is it. Okay. So let's walk over here. We'll put it on our desk again one more time. Power it up. And just get a good look at it. 'Cause it's looking good. I like that strip coming down. Right with that piece. Good looking setup. I would rock it. What do you think? Post in the comments below if you want us to do more of these build guides. They're quick and easy, and I think they're pretty entertaining. I'll try to be funnier on the next one. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching. GFG.